Hey everyone, thank you for checking out the Hulagway Studio. So I just released it now in my GitHub. You can download it free and use it however you want. What it do is it helps rename your images properly as well as alt text descriptions. So here are the images that doesn't have a proper file names, right? And then let's drag them all inside our dashboard here. You can see it properly renders all the images as well as the file size, the file type, as well as the names. And now let's rename first our file name by clicking this one, so just names. So nice. It properly renames our images based on the description of our images. So aside from that, we can also click this for the description. So while it is loading, I am using Ollama in the background, which also need to download locally, or you can use the LM Studio or OpenAI API. Currently, I'm using Gwen 3.5, which is pretty much very good in my opinion. So after you are done updating the images that you have, we can choose what file we wanted to save these images. For me, I will use AVIF because I am most of the time I am working on Webflow. Let's save all of the images here by clicking apply. And then let's choose the uh, pictures folder. For example, here, I'll select that, allow, and the images are saved as well as the text. So let's open our folder here. Here you go. We have the images and as well as the file size. As you can notice, they are really small. And the descriptions, you can see them here. So yeah, that's the function of our simple tool. I hope that it is very useful in your arsenals when working with websites. So yeah, let me know what you think and thank you.